Best practices for laying underground cables. The world relies on a complex network of cables buried beneath our streets and sidewalks. From powering our homes to connecting us to the internet, these underground cables are the hidden heroes of modern infrastructure. But how exactly do these cables get there? Here, we delve into some key practices for safe and efficient underground cable installation. Planning makes perfect. The power of a route survey. Before any shovels hit the dirt, a thorough route survey is essential. This survey identifies the ideal path for the cable, ensuring there's enough space for installation and future maintenance. It also plays a crucial role in safety by checking for existing underground utilities and potential hazards. Think of it as drawing a roadmap for your cables, avoiding any unwanted detours during installation. Choosing your weapon, selecting the right installation method. The installation method you choose depends on the project's specific needs. A popular option is the draw-in system. This method utilizes pre-laid ducts or conduits, with strategically placed manholes along the route. The cables are then pulled into position through these ducts using winches. This approach minimizes ground disruption and allows for easier future maintenance or cable upgrades. Strength in numbers, tools for the trade. When it comes to cable installation, the right tools make all the difference. Cable pulling winches provide the necessary pulling force to accurately position the cables within the ducts. For situations requiring minimal surface disruption, boring tools come into play. These tools create precise underground pathways for the cables, ideal for environmentally sensitive areas or avoiding existing infrastructure. Built to last, selecting the right cables. For underground installations, opting for solid conductors over stranded conductors is a wise choice. Solid conductors offer superior durability, better suited to withstand the constant pressure and potential stresses of being buried underground. They provide a reliable and long-lasting solution for your underground cabling needs. Double-checking your work. The importance of cable testing. Once the cables are in place, it's vital to verify their integrity. Diagnostic tools come to the rescue here. These tools test the cables for any faults or weaknesses that might compromise their performance. Addressing these issues before the ground is backfilled ensures a smooth and reliable operation of the cables. Saving time, saving money. The efficiency of cable joint kits. Cable joint kits are a valuable time-saving resource. These kits provide all the necessary materials and instructions for creating secure and reliable connections between cable sections. This streamlined approach minimizes installation time and associated costs, ensuring a more efficient project completion. Conclusion. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your underground cabling project is completed safely, efficiently, and delivers long-lasting performance. Remember, the world beneath our feet is a complex network, and proper planning and execution are key to keeping it functioning smoothly.